to be the best one to edit videos on the planet? If you hope so, keep watching this video. So first we're going to use Wondershare Filmora. Wondershare Filmora, as I said in the last video, was one of the best screen recorders to record your screen. So now I'll open Filmora. So we can drop a file or a project to our project, which is there. So I put my project here. If I go to, for example,
You think your Chrome is well customized?
And I go there and click this and go also there and click this, so now this part we can delete it. So if we go to this part, we can have all of the options. We can split it, we can mute, and we can crop and zoom, and we can cut and undo, which are the regulars in any video. So here we have in the media, we have sample video, which is countdown, sample colors for the background, my album, I can customize them. We have in the music that are made by Wondershare Filmora. We have sound effects, automatic bomb like this one.
5 Chrome extension.
But we can delete this so you would hear it. It just makes like a bump.
All customized.
You hear it? So then we have also camera snaps like this one. And we have a lot of these, and we have electronic, folk, rock, tender and sentimental, young and bright, and all, which contains all. And third thing we have is the text and credit. So we here have title opens or to put in the beginning of the video, and we have custom, which I didn't make, openers, titles, lower thirds, subtitles, and credits, and favorites. You can assign a favorite from there. Transitions will so for example, I'll show you transition. If we put here this video or this part, and we go there and click transitions, and
Chrome is well customized.
so it made this transition to go to the second clip. And here we have the filters, which will let you choose, for example, up and down, and the overlays will let you have the aqua, for example. So we have here the
You think your Chrome is well customized?
and the up and down, as we will make it go up and down, as this was the sound that we put. The elements are, for example, elements love 2, 3, and 4, XOXO, love, split screen, which will make your screen split it together. So we here can put, for example, this one here, this one here, this one here, and this one here. So when we click this and play it, just it plays, it's loading, it exported, just don't know why, just because it's up and down, so it won't work properly. But if we move this one, we choose. So, and the last thing we have is export, which will let you export it, for example, to an MP4 file or something. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss any video that I upload. Also, don't forget to tell me what tutorial you want next time, and tell me what editor to use to edit your videos. Thanks.